Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about exercise of unit number 2, citizenship. We already read about this chapter uh, in the previous video. Citizenship. What is a citizenship? Do you know what is a citizenship? A person that is a good citizen does his or her share, helps the community, plays by rules, and respects authority and laws. Citizenship involves people acting together to address issues and improve society. Your house is on a street. The people who live near your house are your neighbors. All the people living in one place form a community. The community can be a village, a town, or a city. The people of a country are its citizens. We are Pakistani citizen. Okay, here we have given some questions. The question number 1 is, which of the services named in the lesson do you use? In the lesson we have given some services like school, hospital, roads, water, dams, etc. Now move on the next slide. Here you have given question number 2. And the question number 2 is, how is a government chosen? We can't all make the rules, so we have an election. We vote and choose a people who will make the rules for us. Now move on question number 3. And question number 3 is, what does the government do? The answer to this question is, government make rules to run the country and provide many services like education, health, safety, etc. Now move on question number 4, and the question number 4 is, what is tax? How is it used? In return of a services we have to pay government is known as a tax. Taxes is used by the government to provide services for everyone. Okay, now move on the next slide and open to page number 26. Sorry, 27. Here you have given exercise A, and exercise A is, you do not have to pay for everything. Write free or not free against each of the following. The first one is walking on a street. Do you pay for this? Is this free or not free? Yes, walking on a street is free. The next one is studying in a school. Studying in a school is a free service or not free? Yes, not free. The third one is buying something from a shop. We pay for this or not pay? Is this free or not free? Yes, not free. Breathing fresh air. Breathing fresh air is free for us or not free? Yes, free. Using a bus or a taxi. Is this free for us or not free? Not free. Using water to wash clothes. Is this free or not free for us? Yes, free. Seeing the doctor in a hospital. Is this free or not free? Yes, free. Drying clothes in the sun. Is this free or not free? Yes, free. Drying clothes in the sun is free for us. Okay, do exercise B and exercise C on your book. So we have completed this chapter and hope so you have enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.